Hello everyone, this is early morning in Algonquin. We had a little bit of rain last night. It looks so beautiful. The sun is just coming up over the head. We're still very cold out here. It was a mesmerizing experience.
We are making yellow corns. Look at them, looking so delicious. And we are making for breakfast. We have some French fries and chai ban rahi hai. Let's see what is our surprise dish here for our brunch, breakfast and lunch. Here it goes. Look at it. This is delicious pizza, guys. We are making pizza today in our campsite barbecue. So we got this Afghani bread. And then we got this pasta sauce and this cheese and some veggies. Looking so good. Joy. We are going to make some eggs omelette. And our delicious masala chai is getting ready. Let's go. So here is our platter is ready. Indo-Western breakfast with eggs, scrambled eggs, onions, carrots, some bread and cheese. Looks delicious.
अरे जा जल्दी भाग जा नहीं बाबा नहीं बोलता हूँ भाग जा नहीं बाबा नहीं सीधा जेल जाएगा कोई बात नहीं बड़ी मार खाएगा कोई बात नहीं क्या याद करेगा जा तुझे छोड़ दिया पहली बार माफ किया नहीं बाबा नहीं अरे जा जल्दी भाग जा नहीं बाबा नहीं बोलता हूँ भाग जा नहीं बाबा
We are all set to go. We have packed everything in our car trunk as well as on our rooftop bag. We are fully packed and going back home after our 2-night stay at Algonquin Park, Lake of Two Rivers. Afternoon snacks of our delicious bhel puri from this packet. It's fast food and healthy and delicious. This is all our favorites food. Let's enjoy in the car. We are in the car going back. Enjoy. This is the Pog Lake view. It's a beautiful lake. And we are here going for a round at Pog Lake. So no dogs are allowed at this beach as well. We are going here inside the visitor center. It's a nice place to hang out. Wow, this is beautiful. This is a beautiful place from inside. We have our information and book center here. You can have something. These are washrooms. And there is a time schedule for all the activities going on here. They are on the chart. They change it every day. That is a good thing to know. This is the bookstore here. Today is Algonquin Park. This is cool. I'll take a picture of this. Oh, yes, we have here activity book for kids. Yes, that's cool. So kids can do some activity here. We are here at the Algonquin Logging Museum, which has a very long back history and it is a walking trail. So let's see how to start the trail. Here it is. So let's go in and check out for the permit and the tickets. How to start the trail. Here is the small.
Hi, how are you? Yeah, doing great. We did check out today from a campground. So, is my car valid for parking here and I can go and...
I think you'll be fine, yeah, on your last.
Yes, so I can check out. Is that okay? Check out of scooter. But I don't have any permit on the dashboard of the car.
Okay, I think you should. Yeah, you guys are.
Yeah, I'm going off. Yeah, I'm just gonna take a train and.
Yeah.
How long is it? Kids are okay to.
Yeah. There's a lot of.
Any beers and at which spot will be the museum? Like there's a museum there. Right?
Yeah, so it's a long along with there's follow.
Oh, follow.
We bought this $2 book from here. This will give us the whole view, whole history about the trail and museum. Everything is written here. We'll go around the trail and read through the book to get the knowledge about this. See you there. We have to start the trail. Here is the signboard and here is the written arrow while going so that you can utilize your time nicely. Let's go. It is around 30 to 40 minutes trail and it is a loop trail. It means that there is a whole circle around this building. You will go from here and come back from the other side. Your guide to the logging museum. One more map here and look at this. This is our first museum site. So we will have many different museum sites here. Look at this. This is so pretty. Let's go in and see. Okay. What else it shows? It shows the fireworks. Wow. This is the olden ways of making their campfire and this is their beds kind of thing. This looks cool.
And that's why in the middle they fire.
There's people.
They bumps where.
Now we are going towards another destination. It is stable.
So यहाँ पे horses होते हैं.
I think, yes. Let's go and see. This is the logger's friend and friends were its horses. Let's go in, have a quick
This
look.
is how they use the log. This is how they used to move the log with the stable. Jaldi go. Next.
Axe. This is number 3. Olden ways of using different tools. So we are going further ahead in these deep jungles. So here is the... What is this? Oh, this is a kind of crane. Olden ways of using the crane. Oh. Where is the woodpecker?
Where?
Where is the woodpecker? I can't see the woodpecker.
Whoa.
Rohit, can you shoot? I don't see it.
We can record that. Can we record that?
Yeah, we are recording it.
Sign have animal recording.
But वो मार ही नहीं रहा.
Where is it? I can't
Woodpecker, do your job.
I can't see it. Where is it?
On the top of the log.
Oh, on this wood.
It's not working.
Oh, he's not.
चलो
doing
छोड़
it.
बड़ा
Oh,
time
he's
नहीं है.
making noises.
For the 5 number, plowing and icing the road, and here is the process they used to do for icing and plowing. This is their big vehicle kind of thing they used to do. And we are going towards the number 6. How danger on the hills.
Yeah, because in the winter when they move the sleigh, sometimes because it's such a heavy load, 20-ton load, so it sometimes crashes. It moves. They have to put hot sand on the snow.
This is a sleigh here. See, this sleigh is holding the logs here, and here are the horses. See, on the slope. Yeah, this is a sledge with the horses on there. Look at them. We are here at number. What?
It's called stamping hammer. See, there is letters stamped on.
Stamping hammers.
So they used to stamp the log so that it doesn't get mixed up. So each
Oh.
log goes to the special plate on.
That is very interesting. This is a small lake here. Water body. Here we are for the next stop. Tom Thompson and logging. This is their process they used to do in earlier days. And here we are at number 8. This is catch crib. Horse and a stable where horse stay. So we are here at another interesting place. What does it show? There is an ankle here. And that's cool.
This is how they saw it.
Okay, this is the steering wheel for number 9, alligator.
Oh, look at it as a dam.
It's a she takes the logs from one place to
Look at the beautiful view. I'm enjoying the water flow and the river with some algae and the trees and the nice breeze, cool weather. Oh my god, this is a huge boat here. Then the pointer.
It's this ship. This is something.
These are the tools of the river driver.
Yeah.
So now we are here to witness the life functioning of a dam. So the water is going from this side and we are going to the other side now to witness the dam's process. Let us go there and see. In memory of person.
Hey, bro.
Yeah.
On the rapids, which is so dangerous.
Yeah, that is so dangerous. That's true. We are at number 14 now. So this is okay. So this is the log cart they have now. Earlier they used to use horses. Now they have developed this system of carrying the logs on the cars. Here at the second stop, last stop almost. This is, they created now engine, a train track engine. Number 17.